So you want to remove programs from the continue watching section on Netflix. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that. So before we get into it, I just want to quickly say that this can only be done on the website version of Netflix. So if you are trying to do this on an application on a phone or a tablet, this cannot be done, so you will need to do this on a web browser. So the first thing you need to do is go to your web browser and go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Once you've done that, you just want to go ahead and make sure you're on the correct profile. And once you've selected the profile, you then want to go ahead and click on the profile icon in the top right hand corner, and you want to go ahead and click on accounts. Once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says my profile, and then you want to click on view and activity. Now here it's going to give you a list of all the programs that you've watched in the past, along with a timestamp. So let's say I want to get rid of this program here. All you need to do is click on hide from viewing history, and it's going to give you a little message explaining how it works. So it will remove itself within 24 hours, and it won't be used to give you recommendations to other programs as well. So once you've done that, I'm back on the Netflix profile, and if I scroll down to continue watching, as you can see, the program that I've just removed has now disappeared. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.